Hi everyone, Lucy here from Huxtello iTech News. Today, we're tackling a topic that's been a headache for many educators in Ghana, the infamous SIC-GES deductions on teachers' payslips. We understand how frustrating this can be, so we've put together a step-by-step guide to help you cancel and stop these deductions. Let's get started. If you're a teacher employed by the Ghana Education Service and you want to cancel these deductions, here's what you need to do. First, gather the following information. Your latest payslip. The number of months the deductions have been made. Your MTN Mobile Money number. The name associated with your Momo account. Once you have all these details ready, send them via WhatsApp to the Informed Teachers Network at 02008379911. It's important to go straight to the point, avoid unnecessary pleasantries. For example, don't send a "good morning" and wait for a response. Just provide the required information directly. The Informed Teachers Network, along with their legal team, will handle the rest. They will contact SIC to cease the deductions and ensure any wrongfully deducted money is refunded to your account. This is already the third batch of teachers they are assisting, and they are confident in their ability to help you too. Jerry Akporhor, founder and lead educator of the Informed Teachers Network, has urged all educators experiencing these deductions to reach out for assistance. He made this call in a recent blog post spotted by Ghana Education News. According to the blog post, teachers should send the following information to WhatsApp number 02008379911. Latest payslip. Number of months deducted. MTN Mobile Money number. Momo name. Remember, avoid greetings or calling. Just send the necessary information directly. The innovative teachers and their lawyers will take care of the rest. So, spread the word and make sure to comply with all the stated requirements. The Informed Teachers Network is here to help you stop these deductions and get your money back. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful updates. This is Lucy from Ghana Education News, signing off.